Okay. One punch. You're overdue on the clock. Oh, time to send you to your home. And that's breakfast. Ow. Raw an egg with a note.
You will fail.
That's breakfast for you.
Yay! Yay!
Of course. Welcome everyone, back for another adventures of Cuphead and Mugman.
And we're dying.
Indeed, from rot. Anyway, this is Near Dragoon here.
VC Videos 100. And we managed to take care of everyone except for one.
Indeed. Trying to take down Papa Bird and the baby ain't so easy after all.
Despite learning the pattern, and despite learning the pattern, it is still going to be a mess.
Bullet hell for a reason.
Yeah, sadly, this is the only thing we have left.
We expect nothing but pain, folks. Literally. And no, we're not dropping our difficulty for any reasons. Unless...
That worked. I refuse to lower the difficulty for this bird.
At least we're even on that. Don't forget hit. I have to take it nice and slow.
And here it comes.
Oh, I barely managed to avoid all that.
I know your tricks, you stupid bird.
Finally. Sorry about that, folks. We have a little bit of a fuzzy problem.
Come here, you.
Wait, no, but I want to be part of this. I want to be part of this. You can't do this to me.
I'm so sorry, Anakin. It's not we don't hate you. We love you so much. And no joke, folks, our little fuzzball was in front of our screen. Oh, you ass!
Ah! I wasn't transformed. Dang it! I was pressing the button. I saw it coming. I pressed the button, but it didn't register. Right?
You do know one thing, though. He was actually firing at us.
Yeah. First time the bullet decided to become
accurate.
I smacked the first bird! And I don't know why I did that.
Scrambled eggs.
Ow.
Oh my god, there's actually a smaller pattern to learn. It's not a circle, dude. Just go like two or three feathers down, then head back up.
A great slam and then some.
And you're the one who had your coffee.
Ow. Come on, come on, come on! I almost got through that with no damage.
Nice try. Oh! Oh, such a bird brain. I can't believe I just said that. Here comes dear daddy. You made it spit out his heart.
Damn it, apparently the...
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry.
It's surely brewing.
I'll hit the pause.
It's on.
Sorry about that, folks. Looks like there was worms in his throat. Alright.
And he's spit. Yeah, he has to be at the bottom. Strike this halberd. Got it. Ooh. Aha! I got the bullet.
Nice try.
Ow. Ah, crud.
Forget it. You're almost there, dude. You're almost there. Try for the pills.
Yay!
It's
Diagonals!
No worries, we're doing better than last time. Literally.
Ow! Damn it, I tripped.
But you're on the plane!
Like a needle in a haystack. Ow. Oh, that's mean. Now that's really mean.
Ah! Clear it, man. Here it comes.
I know the feeling. I know the feeling. I will get past this. Stupid bird.
Hill.
Hey.
Spits out pings.
Yeah.
Chill, chill. We're getting there, we're getting there. Hey, at least we're not being called by the devil yet.
And we both took that bullet.
Yes.
And I took that one! Oh, this is gonna turn into a boss run.
At least it ain't debauchery. Oh. Going up and down is more like our fastest way.
Yeah. It's just that I happen to lost myself there.
I know the feel.
Bastard birds! Alright. Come on, baby. And I got trapped.
A great slam and then some.
We're still good, we're still good.
Here goes.
We're not leaving until we turn into our Thanksgiving dinner.
But Thanksgiving is over. Shut up!
I'm still hankering for a turkey.
Okay. Nope. Lose sight of myself. It's practically muscle memory at this point.
Yeah. I know the feel.
I got hit!
Hey, we still have our lives. No worries. Whoa.
Wait, did you get hit?
I think I had both. And I didn't realize it.
Huh? It's my turn to suffer! Ah! This is possibly the first.
Indeed. Dude, your bomb ready.
I noticed!
I know. Yeah, but... Finally!
Oh wow, the little ones are gonna keep him! Well, we can't cook him! we can't save him, it's time for our dinner!
Well, they say sometimes the bird of prey becomes the next meal.
Fuck that bird!
We're eating good tonight! The devil can have his soul. Ay.
We did it! We're finally free! Wally wobbles!
That was all the souls. Now we can move on and get more things.
Fuck that bird!
Agreed. Just so you know, we just are...
So far, we have yet to get one where we have to do something do a boss off screen.
Indeed.
Looks like I might have underestimated you, Bubbles. You get a good bowl of the bananas, but good. Go on over to the next island. Lots of fun times waiting there for you.
But we just came from the carnival.
These little mugs have some fat in them. I'll say that much. They're making mincemeat out of them debonaires.
You see, I knew they were something special about them. Those photos.
Well, don't be too sure just yet, boss. I think there's something fishy about those two.
Don't blow your wig, Dice. If those two little kiddos try anything, I'll be waiting.
That was perfect.
You're welcome. Plus, I assume my deep voice will be good enough.
There's also the fact that let's see. Alright,
The honeybee, that's the boss.
yeah.
Captain. Captain, oh, my captain.
Hey! Hey!
No, that's a girl.
Hey! You're gonna need some tips if you want to keep all them dead beats. Stop at mixing your weaponry. Can't expect all your arms to work the same forever, though. Mix and match the numbers. That's what I say.
Okay, that's a hint saying that there's a chance that everything's going to...
Shoot and moon. I know that there's one that is supposed to have come up.
I think that's where it is.
Alright. Is there any shortcuts we can get through?
I'm wondering. Nope. No shortcuts. Anyway.
I'm sniffing like a dog.
Come on,
Unfortunately,
Buckhead.
I think they like shooting and looting.
Betcha this is the mermaid.
Maybe.
No matter what you're looking at, we only just have one coin and no...
I know, I'm
There it
just trying to explore.
I know, dude. There's plenty of secrets in this game.
Good day for us.
Nope.
Well done.
Oh, this is going to be good.
Oh, wait a minute.
Ow.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Okay.
When do we have to deal with Popeye's arch enemy?
Things. Whoa, watch out, dude.
I'm a trying.
Gotcha.
Oh no. Oh, you're evil. Oh, that's evil.
You hear them? Oh, whatever.
You're not as difficult as Popeye.
Oh, that's bull. And he just shot me with a cannonball.
Your skills be like me buried treasure. Just myth.
A great slam and then
Yeah, and I'm married to... Wait, actually, I'm not married.
What hit me?
They're all fun. You shoot like rapid fire with them.
Yeah. Ah, you're supposed to drive the squid off. My bullets are targeted to him when he was summoned. Oh! You can take out the dogs.
Noticed. Watch out! Hell no! Your turn, dude.
Shark!
Thanks for that heads up.
I got you! Oh, that... Yeah, okay. Unfortunately, the ricochet to the barrel killed me.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, you are kidding me. Yeah, Davy Jones.
Okay, so... Right now, the homing bullets are actually my best bet here.
But you gotta take time for it.
More like I need to keep a very close up. Since I already know about it, the one thing I have to do is keep an eye on my surroundings. Okay. Squid!
Sorry, still them, dude.
Don't worry about it. I was trying to bait the barrel.
Shark alert. Oh, now that's cheating.
Okay.
Shark alert. Pea brains. I suggest.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
It's its throat. Well, that's new. It could do a Kamehameha.
I'm a firing my laser!
See what I did there?
Got it. Alright. Squid!
Ow.
Shark!
Shark. Okay,
That was cheap.
indeed. Doggies. Gee. Doggies. He's angry. Your homing still works. You gotta just time when it closes its mouth, get ready to duck. Duck.
Oh god, that's a long beam time.
Yep. So basically, the next time you gotta be on the opposite end for the barrel, like now.
Beat the barrel?
I think this is one of those times you need to switch with your boomerang. I know you didn't. Oh, sweet lord. The devil's having two for tonight. Oh, perfect timing, no less. Oh, yeah, indeed.
Alright, let's do a little bit more exploring before we call it quits.
Alright. Man, my ear.
You're not the only one. Captain Brainybeard!
And here I thought it was Bluto.
That's
Story.
Turtle disappears.
Hello, turtle.
Turtle? You boys think your situation is a multicolored mess, don't you? But what if I told you there's a way we see in the shades of gray? We don't read that book. A way that only a pacifist performer would be able to perceive.
Sorry, we're just snapping our fingers.
Oh. If I told you that, I won. You're telling us there's a pacifist run?
I clearly doubt it.
High C, high jinks. This has to be the mermaid.
Indeed. And here's the shop, which we can't get to because where we're on.
No, we can get there. No, we can't.
And even more so.
So, that means we have to deal with the bumblebee.
The honeycomb hijinks.
Yep.
But that will be the next run. Am I right?
Yep.
With that all said and done, I hope you liked this video so far, folks. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and share the video all around. I'll also like to thank my best friend, VC Videos, who has his own content with live... I'm not joking, I'm a little blocked up.
Stream videos I happen to be posting on my own channel after a Twitch stream. You can check it out in the description down below. And while he's dying, do make sure to visit the Patreon on his channel if you wish to give us the extra mile.
With that, folks, thank you for watching and... That was my head.
Problem.
No.